everyone, welcome back to my channel KF Gardening viewers. In this video you will see some eye-catching and attractive water feature ideas. Fish ponds, aquarium, waterfalls and different water feature ideas you will see in this video. They will definitely beautify your garden. All ideas are very amazing. You can use different materials like bricks, stones, pots and different materials can be used. You can choose any one of these and can make similar like this. I hope you will like the video. Give a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.